Hello, these are all my posters. It's my first YouTube video. I just thought I'd make it with posters. I love the dinosaurs. They're awesome. I'll give you a tour of my room after I get it finished because you have to paint it. It's really ugly color and his wallpaper and stuff. There's a couple, and then I'll shut my door. There's one, and there's one, and then we got some right here. One of Nick, one of Joe, and one of Kevin, Nick, and Joe. Hope you liked them, and it'll hopefully give you a tour of my room by the time, like around Christmas time. Thanks for watching.